Hi, my name is Hafizuddin and I'm from FK. I came across new one. So today my purpose to come is to tell you the group about the project because for our assignment in practical technology. So can you tell me?
Hello, my name is Shin Kai Hong from FKEKK Year 4. So basically my project is doing something like a toy for kids to develop a computational thinking, to make the kids think sequentially. So in my part, I'm actually doing a detection algorithm to detect the non-electronic block in in an image. For example, I can display you later.
What is the advantages that this project can do to our world?
So as I mentioned just now, kids nowadays they tend to play games. So we follow the trend, we develop a game. The game actually they can learn something from the game. They can build a sequence accordingly to help the game to solve the problem. For example, they build a sequence of command, and then they will lead the character to the final destination. So what is the advantage behind this is because nowadays we learn about programming, but programming is very heavily dependent on syntax, and most of us is focusing on syntax but without knowing the actual flow. So we must know the flow first before we actually implement in any kinds of programming codes. So this is the advantage for the development of computational thinking.
My next question is how you get this idea to develop this project?
This project is actually inspired by a project, open platform project from Google, which called Project Block. They're actually doing tangible programming to make use of a physical block and build a sequence of commands and maybe if-else statements. They do wireless transform. Then using this platform, we get inspired by the project. So we have this idea